So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can read a character from your terminal, or you can say your console, Java console window. Now I will create a file. I will create a class. Here I will create a class read character. Enter on your keyboard. Now close this file explorer window. Now the first step is the main method, obviously. So now I will create a character variable. So char ch, which is the name of the variable. Now in it, I am going to store the input entered by the user as a character. Now in order to do that, I am going to use system dot in and then dot read. So what it will do is it will give you the integer value of your character. So you need to convert that integer value to a character. Now in order to do that, you can just type char inside of parentheses to implement the casting in Java. Now what I'm going to do is click on this. It shows you that unhandled exception type input output exception. So this system.in.read generates two things. One is the integer value if you have entered it correctly, otherwise it will raise an exception. So in order to deal with that, we will proceed with exception handling, and we can do that by going to the main method right here. After the main method signature, we will hit space on your keyboard and write throws and then exception. Simple. So write this throws exception and the error is gone. Now let me print out the character. So your character is plus then ch. This is the code. So let us see the output. Now I will enter character y. Your character is y. So similarly, you can read any character from your console. Simple as that. Thank you.